Hi guys, so today we are finally shooting for women's collection. I know we are late, but we can't help it. Lot of production error, back and forth, and lot of things happen. But today is the day, so let's go. So guys, let me introduce you to my team. Let's go. There's a lot of things happening here, and बहुत सारे लोग हैं. So meet Sumaira, my favorite makeup artist. So yeah, she's so good. And meet Fatima, her sister, and best hairdresser, of course. And she is Lena, our model. Of course, she is looking so pretty, but still, guys, please pan the camera towards me. So, guys, this is our Choru sa team, and our videographer is not here, but I'll definitely. Oh, our videographer is here. But yes, Arun with ideas is here. Hi, what's up?
I don't know why camera is here. I like to be behind the camera.
Why you want to be behind the camera? You're the main person who did everything.
Guys, I do all the employee work, so I'm just an employee. And she is the face of the brand. So camera दिखाओ भाई अपने ऊपर.
No, but
You are the face of the brand, bro. You are the main creator. You bring sales. But yeah,
the main focus has to be on you. So how does it feel? We are finally shooting after
we are
4
finally,
months.
we are finally shooting after 4 months. I don't know इतना delay कैसे हो गया, but still there were a lot of production error and everything, and basically we were focusing on the output, which is wrong part. Focus on the input first and try to get the perfect manufacturer, production and everything, so that आपकी जो production errors होंगे वो कम हो जाएंगे. But अगर आप output पे focus करोगे, like if you focus on launching new collection, first focus on building the proper brand, focus on building the vertical integration proper, where you have everything like your team, and especially employees are very important. Always hire 9 by 10, 10 by 10 employees. It's better because if you are hiring 8 by 10, 7 by 10, it's very difficult to work with them. And if you are telling someone how to do their job, it's not at all worth it. And yeah, stay consistent. You'll learn by your own.
I guess you're holding the camera, the mic in a wrong way. Yeah.
Why? Okay, इतना तो होता है. अगर तो मैं यहाँ पे भी रखूँ फिर भी it's still audible. Okay guys, so finally let me do my work and pan the camera, okay? Because you are the face of the brand. I am not, I'm just an employee.
Yeah, guys. So we're getting late, but
Where's my coffee?
let's see. Coffee, it's coming. Guys, this is the best coffee from Blue Takai. Finished, iced. Oh, wow. It's so good. It's so good. I think you all should try it once. My favorite. Though I like iced caramel macchiato from Starbucks, but मुझे ऑप्शन नहीं मिल रहा था वहाँ पे. Too good. इसमें अगर हम वैसा थोड़ा नॉर्मली डालेंगे.
Proper white.
हाँ, तो ये बहुत अच्छा लगेगा.
Proper white करना है.
क्योंकि ये बहुत अच्छा लगेगा अगर हम प्रॉपर वाइट जाएंगे तो इसमें. हाँ.
Save this.
So guys, we are done with our first look. Now we are prepping for second one, and we are planning to do something little premium fashion with this one. So let's go. Yeah, perfect. And I'll just why are you not playing the music?
Because copyright issue.
Copyright issues, but we can cut, no? ठीक है.
थोड़ा बहुत तो आई थिंक नेचुरल लगता है.
वो मैंने स्प्रे नहीं लगवाया बिकॉज उसके बाद वी हैव टू डू पोनी ना.
वो जो मुंह पाएंगे तो निकाल
Yeah,
बाकी तो
ठीक है.
ठीक है.
गॉट इट. guys, we are done with our second look. Now we are going forward with our last and final look. This look is very classy and this look is my personal favorite because I just love this top. So I'm very, very excited. We are thinking to do something creative with this look. So let's see how it's gonna look. So guys, what do you think? How's the collection? How's it going?
It's so cool. It's amazing. I love the
Aesthetic,
collection.
so Gen Z coded.
Yeah.
Wow.
The brand's gonna rock for
Yeah,
sure.
for sure. Anika's gonna rock.
Hey, that's cool. That's what I needed.
Yeah.
Okay, this look is looking very, very classy. As I imagined.
I like that nervous look on your face when you're starting to think that you're talking too much. I like how we just met and I'm not even slightly afraid to be opening up. I like that we've been sitting here, hands moving around the clock, and I still can't get enough. No, I can't get enough.
Hi, my name's Lena. I was on shoot. I was as a model here. So I want to say about this shooting. It was wonderful work because everybody's so polite with me. Everybody's so fun with me. I like it. I like this outfit. It's one of my favorite outfit. I like this top.
It's looking really good on you.
Yeah, thank you so much. I feel myself so woman in this, and I feel so beautiful. I don't know how to explain, but it's like I'm so elegant in this. Yeah, I'm very like. But in another outfit, I feel the same. I like jacket. My first outfit was very, very good. Yes, the first.
Yeah, that was waistcoat.
How?
Waistcoat.
Waist. Yes, I like it too. It's very comfortable, and I feel myself confident in this, and it's so good. Yeah.
So guys, we are done with the shoot. Actually में जैसा हमने visualize किया था, जैसा हमने expect किया था, it actually went like that only. और जब तक ये video डलेगी, of course the collection will come live. So shop now and let me know how you like it.